Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10, and today I'll show you how to clear your browsing data. So to get started, let's open up Chrome, and from here let's tap on the red arrow. You can either have an arrow or 3 dots depending if there's an update, and from here you want to go into history, and in here tap on the clear browsing data. You have a couple things that you can check in here. So you have browser history, cookie site data, and cache images and files. You can select which one you want, and then also make sure you check here the time range. So you have last hour, so you have basically hour, 1 day, week, month, or all time. So choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with just an hour, and then once you have all set, clear data, and now it's all cleared. As you can see, that's previously where we had a bunch of data here, or previous sites visited, and now it's empty. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.